With the recent release of the Nothing Phone 2, OnePlus felt the pressure to leak their next flagship device to prevent possible and potential consumers of buying the new, very impressive Nothing Phone 2. The OnePlus 11 was received well by reviewers and customers, and the company is hard at work making its next mobile device. Now, long before this device is set to launch, we have some renders of the OnePlus 12. These renders show us a pretty familiar-looking device. OnePlus launched the OnePlus 11 earlier this year, so we don't expect to see solid information about the OnePlus 12 for several months. It's surprising that we're seeing these renders this early. Just know that the rumor mill surrounding this phone won't really pick up for a while. This is a pretty surprising turn of events for OnePlus that is assuming that these renders are accurate. There is no doubt that they are feeling the pressure from the Nothing company. Nothing Phone 2 is basically taking the place of the old OnePlus. OnePlus phones used to be labeled the flagship killer. Now, the Nothing Phone 2 is the real flagship killer, while OnePlus prices have risen over recent years to flagship level prices. Looking at the renders, we see that the company might opt for a center-mounted hole punch rather than one on the left. Another thing that the renders show is that this phone might sport a telescopic zoom camera as well. This will give it superior zooming capabilities. Right now, Samsung is the king of zoom photography with its 100 times zoom camera sensor. The most notable thing that these renders reveal is the similar design to the OnePlus 11. In fact, based on the renders, the OnePlus 12 is looking to be a mirror image of the OnePlus 11. That's a bit surprising, as OnePlus is one of the main companies making its flagship devices look different each year. They all hope for Apple providing fresh designs is lost, and Samsung has gone down the same path. It looks to be the same for other major smartphone brands as well. However, OnePlus has been able to keep things fresh with its designs. Admittedly, the OnePlus 11 looks rather good. The fact that OnePlus could be recycling the same design might come off as odd to fans of the brand. Let's just hope that OnePlus doesn't go down the same path as Apple. Thank you for viewing the eSIM Studios YouTube channel. Please subscribe for all the latest news and reviews in the technology world.